Welcome to qnawire.
Okay, so we are given this equation for the loudness of a sound in decibels. The I is the intensity, and then we are told that there's a sound that has an intensity of 2.4 times 10 to the 7th. So what we are going to do is we are going to plug that in where we see I in our equation. So it's 10 times log 10 to the 12th times 2.4 times 10 to the 7th. We can just go ahead and type this into our calculator exactly how it's written to see what pops out. Your calculator should have a log button that is a log base 10. You can also go to desmos.com if your calculator does not have that. So typing this into the calculator, I end up with D equals 193.802, and then it tells us to round to the nearest number. The nearest whole number is going to be that ones digit. The decimal after that, that 8, tells us to round up, so 194 decibels. And that's the answer you want to type in. It says that the ruptured eardrum happens at 160. Since this is higher than 160,